In my opinion, whatever I know, I feel that it is highly likely that Ethereum is going to flip in Bitcoin as a rank one candidate.
New Year's Eve of what year does it flip? That's market cap goes bigger than Bitcoin. What is that?
Aggressive estimate would be maybe Christmas Eve of 2024. There would not be any person probably on this planet in Web3 who would have spoken to more developers, more enterprises, more application builders than me and my team combined.
You don't want it just to be a bunch of nerds in the corner with $1 trillion market cap. You want it to be global, 100 trillion, 500 trillion market cap, and you've always been about that. That's been the vision of Polygon. So to do that, you need the tech, the scaling solution, and the big brand adoption.
The super cycle of crypto will not come without these enterprises also adopting into it, because they have billions of users interacting with them. If they are not a part of this, then this will never be mainstream.
What's it like dealing with the people at Instagram when it came to the NFTs? And do they know what they're doing over there?
They are hands down probably the best team. They have the best Web3 and crypto team. They are thinking 10 steps ahead. And now with this zero knowledge technology, you have that scalability on Ethereum. Why do you need any other layer one? The solution is there, it works, there's community. Why do you even need any other layer one?
So the ZK EVM is an L1 killer.
To be honest, Polygon is the layer one killer.